Hello, my dear student. This is Suraj Anand, chemistry teacher, basically science teacher of chemistry and bio, and physics also too. So we are going today learn endothermic and exothermic reaction. So my dear student, endothermic reaction. What is all about the endothermic reaction? Endothermic reactions are in which energy is absorbed. The energy is going to be absorbed. The energy is going to be absorbed are known as endothermic reactions. Simply you can say nitrogen and oxygen and heat. It gives the two nitrogen oxide. That in this reaction, the reaction in which energy is going to be absorbed, that is the endothermic reaction. And exothermic reaction, the reaction in which heat or energy is evolved, is going to be come out, that is the exothermic reaction. That is the carbon plus oxygen, carbon dioxide plus heat. So the endothermic and exothermic reactions are those. Endothermic reactions are those in which energy is absorbed, and exothermic reactions are those in which energy is absorbed, evolved. It means energy is coming out and energy is going out. In endothermic, energy is taking and is removing in exothermic. So this is all about the endothermic and exothermic reaction. Now, my dear student, we are going to discuss the the oxidation and reduction reaction. Oxidation and reduction reaction, very important topic in this chapter. Oxidation and reduction reaction. So, my dear student, what is oxidation and what is reduction reaction? This is the final topic, fifth one. Oxidation and reduction reaction. So first we discuss the oxidation reaction. First we discuss the oxidation reaction. What is oxidation reaction? We are going to discuss about the oxidation reaction at first. So what is oxidation? First we discuss what is oxidation. What do you mean by the oxidation? You can say oxidation is defined as oxidation is defined as, you can say, we can define the oxidation as the addition of oxygen to an element. The addition of oxygen to an element. To an element. We are going to add the oxygen to an element or compound. Second is, so you can say the removal of hydrogen from a compound. The removal of hydrogen from a compound. That is the oxidation. If you are going to take the oxidation, the addition of oxygen to an element or compound, or the removal of hydrogen from a compound. Take an example. Calcium and oxygen combine to form. Calcium and oxygen combine to form calcium oxide. So you are going to take calcium plus oxygen, that is combined calcium oxide, CaO. So that is the oxidation reaction. Next example, calcium is added to here. Calcium is added to oxygen. Calcium is added to oxygen, hence this is oxidation. And next one, hydrogen chloride is oxidized to hydrogen chloride is oxidized to hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen chloride is oxidized to chlorine by the removal of hydrogen. How can the reaction takes place? 2HCl. Replacement of hydrogen, that is the Cl2. So this is the oxidation reaction. Oxidation, you can define oxidation, the addition of oxygen, to an element or compound, the removal of hydrogen. Here the addition of oxygen is doing, here the removal of hydrogen is doing. So this is all about the oxidation reaction.